I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Creating an account on Skrill is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Visit the Skrill website. Go to the official Skrill website by typing www.skrill.com in your browser. This is where you'll start the account creation process. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Once on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to begin filling out your information. Step 3. Fill in your details. Before changing your settings, use the iterrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. After submitting your details, check your email for a verification link from Skrill. Click on the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 5. Complete your profile. Log into your new account and complete your profile by adding any required information such as your phone number and address. This step may be necessary for full account functionality. Remember, if you don't see the verification email, check your spam folder, it can sometimes end up there. Good luck with your new Skrill account.